Hey everyone, welcome back for day 14 of the Advent calendar from Lozzie. Everything is down below for you if you want to see. And I'm going to make this real quick because it is really late on Saturday night. I had so many Christmas things I had to do today. 'Tis the season. So I'm going to go ahead and read this and open it up. It says, say hello to my little pink friend. Oh dear, does that sound weird? But this gift isn't. I have no idea what this is. It's not a plush this time. But let's open it up and see. Little pink friend. It's a bunch of Kirby stuff. Oh my gosh. So, a little Kirby keychain bag. Oh, and it has... Oh. It has a little character inside. Waddle Dee, right? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is adorable. And then another bath bomb. And there's probably a Kirby in here. I did do my Gudetama one. Gudetama one, and it has a golden Gudetama inside. I don't know what that means, but I'm happy with it. So I'll have to use this one then and take a bath and see what I get inside. And some more stickers. Lozzie is really telling me with this advent calendar to get off my butt and start doing journaling. Look at this. These are so cute. I think you've given me a few of these now. And I do like their art style. Look at that. This is so cute. I love how this is like a circle and I can stuff it like, you know, Kirby ate something. So, I didn't even think of Kirby when I read hello to my little pink friend. I don't know. It's been a long day. But guys, if you like this and you want to see me open up day 15, make sure you are subscribed. And follow Lozzie on her channel. All of her information is down there. And I will see you tomorrow for day 15. Merry Christmas!